Timbo himself, they may him affect na yourself. Na how na day? How's everyone doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. How na day? Hope you guys are doing well. Can na imim be too stuffy. How you guys doing? My nose is too stuffy. Can I man? Hey, welcome. Thank you. Mama, I miss you too. Now, dust. Now I understand why this is a lot of get something. Hey, Hey, and I was Jibemora for a long time. I was Jibemora. Zara, how are you guys doing? They will know. Can I know? Good morning. I can't my network was battling it yesterday. Oh, Nadine. J Pipe, gina governor onye oshi. J Pipe. I did it. Lion demo. Be this man. Cherenu. If you know not, Hey. Share the video, please. Share the video. Let me tell you what the main reason I'm doing the video is just to give thanks to Igbo, but I owe my Igbo brothers and sisters. They are this one not here now. Imagine you could be my life. Imagine you be alive. Let me use this opportunity to thank my Igbo brothers and sisters that came through for me. Imagine people came through for you. Ndi Igbo batarala mo senye maka. Igbo people mounts. Station very hot for my matter. Police station very too hot for my matter. Police station very too or very too sophisticated for my matter. Igbo people came through for me. Hausa was spoken, but Igbo language took over. People came through for me. They came for me. They were there for me. Yawo na ema igama. Ndogu biara na so ndi babashimba nwam. We are for you. We will stand by you. What I go? Thank you all, my brothers and sisters, who knew that J Pipe and Governor Onyoshi Choromon, Governor Escon Onyoshi spending more than 3-4 good years in Ankara. chọrọ m ọnwụ o ji bịa na m na-asọpọtụ IPOB onye ọ gwara ndị polisi o na ọmụọ na-ebunye ndị ọgọnnọ ị ga-epuruvu ya you go prove am maka Chineke kere mụ na gị say na me dey sponsor IPOB. Now wetin these people tell police J Park said it, Governor S-Convict said it, but ndị Igbo stood for it. Abraham and all the only thing ha ga-eji pin him down with no evidence. These people cook up story because I did you nothing, absolutely nothing. Igbo man, Tunde Shobodo Igbo guys came out. Women in Shobodo Igbo came out. So she gonna cause everywhere. Who knows who people? Oh my goodness. Megware kwamma. Megware kwamma. And for those of you that are hiding your face, Okurora, I am disappointed in you. I will call you out later. When you have problem with COS, I was there for you. I took up your matter for my head. But man went so everybody amela. People I didn't even expect. They all landed. Stood ground. If nobody might be able to use their platform. Okurora, what stop you from using your platform to even say, Ogechi, ke home may arrest? I carried your matter for my head. I carried your matter for my Ishima Kamji brew your problem. Maybe I have problem with a lot of people. My question we problem with. I didn't want to say much because I have but this appreciation goes to a lot of people that I didn't even know. Many people that because ebe you ebe na atonga toilet first class ebe na first class, so you were the only thing that ona na gazim nanya because of the jet flag. I was so awake. People were on my matter. Even Yabuna can mepe Ebahanedit 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. People were still coming. People were still coming. Okurora. You're not a good person. You are not a good person. Here twice. Imena am bomechen iga banwe. Game me quiet twice. Bane very diko say. Bana cooking patankwa. You came out flavor. Flavor. You need to Okurora, you're a very bad person. You were a very bad person. You're not a good man. I'm not afraid to people like him, they will come and when he can have any 1 naira or 2 naira. You are a very bad person. But let God judge all of my kindness towards you. Even to say, where is okay? You may go to call. People, people that matters called. They matter called to check up on me. Okay, where are you? Hey, to understand the what happened phone. I never see this kind call. I never see this kind of person. People were on my matter. People took it personal. Yapan they made defend the bill. People made defend the bill. People just decide. We put an ihundeke. One a sponsor unknown government. One a support to IPOB. These people, Governor Omoshi and the DJ Pipe on tour. I get to that guy. He put a formulate here. Okay, so now all these men they are here to protect me, just to stand by me. Monophone about a hotel now. That was exactly what happened to Kemono New. So this is how demonic and dubious mind this J Pipe put it. Because he let China when you the form, because Onyi refused to betray me. Onyi refused to betray me. Onyi refused to join you to betray me. Tag ya watakiri nigidre. Okay, wait. In a gita no na bed. Mbono birano na bathroom because uno carried over 30 men. Dari gido phone. I was scared. Nde yimofti odiole. Nde no on uniform odiole. I was just like, here in Nigeria. This is Nigeria where you're supposed to be very careful. You don't know who is who. That intelligent criminal. I'm gonna make you open your face. When me chana kwa mwana putaragi. Nde kumax, nde nine government. Baran to up. Hey, get on your gate for a woman. I look at you. Look at you. Oh, Mwakije boss. Mwakije boss. He was like dema. Come on, look at you. Here me wogi. You. Just relax. Relax. When I don't do my worst. When I don't do my worst. Kai battle zenu ya. When I don't do when I make a me who game him. When I make a come. When I make a come. Who game him. For the letter, an innocent brother. The only man in Buddha only is the only person they are aware. Because I'm not a man with a secret that will take you to grave. The only thing he get Jimmy give them, hey, ya no nye gidere in a give him when Jeremiah parapam can they go in the news aka n'ụzọ. When they would you be afraid? The hotel Ibiara, the going security, nobody can walk in here now. Security, capital, open this door. When no one get me puzzle, will you open the door? Will you open the door? Otum she bata. Threaten na ma candy cake. Will you open the door? Open the door. Open the door. Mejuwa Ghana. Chineke zomunu akrami sheba hama. The only thing that window cannot. The window is too small. And because I'm no warrant, no nothing. She from nowhere, very bruno. He gave me puzzle. Him na do. Em window like this. Le bad man, God everywhere. Monday you mufti, Monday you mufti. Everybody, ex-convict alaka. Yeah. Kono biabu onu mono. Ono biabu na tunu emu nyenche. Kono biabu onu onye uwete ya ke ebu onu. Intimidation everywhere. These people get ema wos wo ha ka etetere na video. You know be all of them they bring for video. And when the people when man dey puchi shit that anda buro. Man dey pushi that. Man dey pushi that. Just to intimidate me, to threatening me, to subdue me. Just to when I can get you. You got him. That's useless, hopeless, kinsley. Among why your video have been finished here. I finished the moon day. Ask I don't know why they did not video that side. I was not afraid of them. When I discovered that I finished them. That's you can't go to look at this useless man. Very dirty and unkept. For the girls, they had very dirty. I finished go dream how we turn on that. I don't know why they did not bring those parts. I watched them and I said, useless bets. Useless people. Yeah, in the one woman. Ofonye. We kill you, we kill you, we kill you. Come on, we kill you. Igama. And then Susuare. Here me boom. Ya don't work him with a brain. Igbo with a brain. Excuse me. Couldn't you look at my arrest? Couldn't you look at that chia boss who need no why? Who is the person? Who's the person? Ogechi. Ogechi kono gaga chia umoke mandaburo. Mandene umado. Ma Juya means here within the uniform. Kono bia so do umu. Kono bia menu intimidate. I don't understand. Guy. Very shapeless human being that useless kissing. They get diabolic, put you like this. I get you dance here. I thought when I reached the Agama who able to petition Rogage. I thought I would see one of names. Weak useless men. Why would you guys even come to my hotel, my bathroom, you did not knock. Imam Abamoto, Imam Anamasa, Imam and may use some toilet. When I just go out. Every video. Kikitanu me bem bottom. Kikitanu me bem bottom. Keba post on my Facebook. I don't want to get you. I don't want to get you. Kikitanu kebia menu ye. Una with a camera. Camera. Paparazzi. The paparazzi. Paparazzi when no get certificates. Paparazzi when no get certificates. Paparazzi when no get license. Una will never. Michael Jackson about the turn over. Everybody, can they capture me? Is that come back? When I don't capture big fish. Big fish. When I don't get big fish. When I don't capture me now. But it's here now. When I get another, when I don't capture me. And I'm going to say, I get you. Useless touts. Kinsley, useless man. I got you. Look at her. Look at her. They go get you. We don't capture her. Like Obasanjo was not arrested. Do you know how many people are arrested? They become prominent. Do you know prominent people that we arrested? I know that even feeding the bloggers this time around. The food that I gave them, this jobless how I kept them busy since 3 days in detection. No paradise. Hey man, this useless, hopeless J-pipe detection. We heard that Ogechi did not sleep here last night. We heard that Ogechi did not sleep here last night. We want to make sure. When they came out, I was treated like a VIP. Believe it or not. You know go know the in and out. J-pipe. Yes. You don't even the hopeless Afoshin J-pipe cannot even come close to me. He was so scared to even the only time when the audacity and the impetus to come the statement. That will tell rubbish, man. Ogechi says she don't kill me. Ogechi, J-Pack, how many people have you tormented in this blue app? How many souls have you scattered? I will get Kige Jiba. J-Pack, Yarume Kurumu can get put another one out times. I should get Jeraka Worombo. Now you start them all. Now you start them. Everyone knows Miko. As you say, you came to label me. Kato terebe babuomu. Kato terebe babuomu. I want to put them off for. Ipono muni ikitere mona woke na bed. If you don't prove that camera, if you don't prove that video, I just not soft. I'm just peddling soft things. Now this soft pedal. I just want to go this small. I just want to go this small. I just want to go one for one thing. Let me finish. And advise us. Oh, how can agent sees? I'm just patterning my speech. I just want to go do kumata. I just want to ata small. But that's your one. But that's one again home. I got my coachy phone phone. I am come tago do kum some okuna. Women, akuna wule, akuna kolo one in the cabia womb. I put you call and talk and do boom, but cabia womb. I put you call her. You got all of them. Couldn't be a woman, right? I quit chocolate, couldn't be a woman. I quit chocolate, have a woman. Men, all of them everywhere. Damn meaning. I quit chocolate, have a woman. Say nobody will come for me now. Nobody will come for you. Guys were even threatening me in the police officer that now I'm going to jail. Now nobody will ever bail me. I want him threatening the police. I want him and dabura nando kidnap PG. I want him threatening him. You guys was guaranteeing me that nobody you won't threatening the main power na police station or wash. I want him threatening with. I want him threatening him. Ghana, okay, say game way to audacity be busramu. Hey, Jim. As a more I get put together, as in getting Jim again, I'm shy. Can't die. Can't forget Facebook, who these people for in life. Tabo pass, get ex-convict. You got a bob, you know it. Very dirty looking hole. Dry up, like how shakara bra. And then I'm gonna ring on him. In fact, in my head, you know what will happen? As on a plan with what can do, I get them go tally how. Eman and they who know on a video, there were many that were at the back hiding. Nde buchadia, habucha, personal cards rabia. Just a minute, kabia to get you, they want to come out with them. I don't have anybody. I don't have anybody. When they come up, who I get? I went for Madonna. Actually walking in on Facebook. Hidden criminals. They're on Facebook. They're broke now. We are talking all time. This is our last. Ghana Johnny Ghana Cho. I blame Nigeria, those hotel people. But I will come for now. Hotel Adama Kuruna Hana Newi. Akuno. So J-Park put na CCTV corner on a tom that hotel uno. That means nobody stays in that hotel to be safe. That means nobody will rent that hotel who got the safe. If the workers are there to give secrets, that means that hotel nobody will be. Agama worst nightmare in the hotel. So nobody stays because J-Park put on the hotel in any information. So that means nobody is safe. That's all of you. Agama una was why would you leak a secret? That means a hotel and who is safe in the name. That means if you are coming there, you are in jeopardy. We that means nobody is. You're not supposed to review the secret of when you believe on protect ya. That means nobody is fucking safe in that particular hotel. Akwaman bidoro na na address unu. Na-egbu unu ya ashi na oge echi na ngwa onye ọjọọ. Unu ga-emere m explain why unu ji bruje back na-eli secret my whereabouts. That means unu chọrọ ka unu gbuo m. Unu hụchara those hasty different men with such dressing. Unu eli secret of guests unu show obodo oyibo bata. A VIP guest. Unu eli ka egbuo m. So this is what you guys. So nobody is safe. Na hotel unu. That's what it is. That is what it's time to be. Share a video. Fonde choro galoja in such hotel. Share the video. Hold on. That means who need to save. Now that hotel, for just something with me because Nigeria the hot, eh? So that is what it is. Then when anybody got back that hotel, do save, right? That is what it stands to look like. And the hotel has zero majority of my things. Perfumes, for gifts. My laundries. Umake boko. And I'm a biafona. Can finish go to one thing. And I'm a biafona. And how would I leave for the perfume this thing empty? So unu dokranelu make it him. Nobody do okay tell him take the boom. Na hotel unu. Oh, una no go like him. Una no go like him. Only makachuna ga like him. So unu ka je park. So they are in jeopardy. Nobody will trust anything again. That means if anybody step in and that person become a threat. If I get you soon, network in Nigeria is very, very bad. I don't know what to do. You want to go? I'm in Abuja on Monday. Definitely on Monday. Definitely our appointment, Monaha. I will be at Abuja on Monday. Definitely I'm on Monday. The first headquarter, Abuja, I will be there. I'm on Monday. You want to go? Saturday, Gano. Like I said, you give me IV, I will be there. I'm not my boss. I'm not. Why would I be running? I'm not my boss. So why did I step into Nigeria and make a video? But I wasn't running. I'm not a fugitive. I'm not a criminal. I'm not a thief. I never stolen anything. So nobody will tell me that I should not come to Nigeria. I should hide my location. For what? For what, if I may ask? I did not kill anybody. I did not murder. I'm not a thief. I'm not a guy. I did not steal anything from anybody. Whoever allege must prove. That's how it stands. If you allege, you prove. As it stands now. Actually, I want people to be like Ogechi. Let this case mepu na anya. Let this case mepu na anya. Even at this case, rather it will break you or make you. Don't be afraid of any intimidation or whatsoever. This case is a state of I will intimidate you. You are nobody. You want to go? I will intimidate you, you got nobody. This case versus you are nobody, you are nobody. I will step on your head and crack. That's it. Pray, Yage. That is what this case stands for. If you have an open mind and look into this case, that is all this case stands for. We will form a group and I will be the leader. I will be the master of the game. So that we will crush you. We will crush. You may be rejoicing on my own. Your turn is coming. And nobody will stand by you. Rejoice and celebrate on my own. But your own day, you may not see anybody that will make calls. As far as you live in Nigeria, celebrate on this one, will you? But one thing, my sister or my brother that is celebrating over this arrest, Ogechi will come out victoriously. Bet me. Because I did not commit any crime. We will prove it to every reasonable doubt. As far as this case is concerned, I did not commit any crime. I was not the one that looked for trouble. That is why where evidence will be surfaced, where the things will be open and obvious. Like I said, the police that came, I said, I will follow all due process. But one thing I will not allow is intimidation. All due process will be applied in this case. I got maybe in the water. So, my dear, anybody can be arrested as far as this world is concerned. Nobody is above arrest. No fucking body is above arrest. Even arrest, I will majestically answer your call. But do not arrest me and intimidate me at the same time. That one I will not take. This case is only about honesty. And when you also know me, bring your proof and I will bring my proof. Two parties will bring it to the timelines. A lot of threats were made on my head. A lot of, if you say pen, I will finish you. You want to go? So, when you want a monopoly of intimidation, and when you want a monopoly of you cannot say, you cannot do this. It is, every laws, everything they remember intimidate ends one day. I remember one woman in America, and that can come in the bus and sit down. It started on one day. The woman, I said, no. From that day, the woman took it on her head and got victory. It doesn't matter how many groups we will form. Let's contribute money for it. No problem. My case will open a lot of people's eyes. My case will give you the mind to speak and stand on your own and maintain your words. I'm here making my phone. I don't know what's wrong with you.